The sound of the 60s pedal emulates that vintage reverb found on many classic rock records. This pedal has 4 knobs. The volume knob sets the output level of the processed sound. The dwell knob controls the amount of feedback driven through the reverb tank. The mix knob sets the amount of wet signal to add to the dry tone. And the tone adjusts the high frequencies of the wet processed signal. And finally, this pedal features true bypass. Now let's hear some examples. And there you have it. Get yours today at ThePedalGuy.com.